Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically hide the likes you've made on Instagram. So to do that, you are just going to select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen, then go to settings and privacy. Once you're done, you're going to scroll down and then see there's a who can see your content, and you're going to select likes you've made. So this will show who can see when you like other people's posts and reels. So usually it's on the allow everyone to see likes, or you can select allow people you follow to see likes, or allow close friends to see likes, or even press the don't allow anyone to see likes. So for instance, you want to like a post on Instagram and you don't want your name to be on their likes, I guess you can choose that option. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!